sili tumbang ke hotel bang ke ha court dam nangi police station dam nangi basar to lomang office room dam ni ba interview hut la he bang ke nang solo las English kacharli bang ke no lomang ke akenang the ulo son se la ke ha college an charli bom le kai la the ni seta la chok chit English bang ke tumai charli ponang po that's a basic English pen bang ke doan ni viewers la pen subscriber to fan ini bangke nili ke thego po bangli style tongkar bi atumang ta anotin ta English school se don te bon style ke English conversation English ka ching ki ke nang sok pure the dang ta la pen non na lomang ke English ke thik thi ba ke thik tum ta do te bon style tumang ke la pi alam son lo bihe ka ko ipai po lam ka ju pen se tum thek don ba bang long ka ningi se tumang ke ka charli de ma se thek don la pen an part school in bom tum sa tumang ke lan English ningi yi la se tumang ke laan ki thek pu bang bang ke ka vidya ta son se thek lo la pen English bang ke kisung u putakali la ili bang ke ning hang ling ke nang ya son mang ke tu bang ke la English hoi pen ta itum bang ningi ponang ko mo bang adet ke dam lang ke English ka belam thek thi to dim an bang ke English ke nang son no lam pe thek la si thi hek pen bang ke ni li than pon gi la pen lo la English bang ke spoken English lo bang ke thi hek pen bang ke la pen lo la contracted form si ong okay that's we let's we ke I can't we cannot we ningi lo I am when I am popo it will be podimang ke it popo I will padim I'll go to school today we la son si short kan ningi do la si la ke kenang short lo la pen question an mang ke wh pen mang simu training ni what where when how whose where hadi whom la son la wh pen lo la pen answer ke thak dun mang ke introductory pulo it pen si ke o la ke it's put pen pang cheng o la son si litum bang ke non thiek pen ke che than bang phan bang si ni la so video banai lo la pen ni channel bang ta first time lang ko tel na to subscribe ni tha ithi ba charli point bang ke to pang cheng ma to ke cheng question answer ya sin litum charli pon pode la son le charli pon na
What's your name?
I am Blaze Ronghang.
Where are you from?
I'm from Karbiang Long.
How old are you?
I'm 40.
What does your father do?
My father, he's a doctor.
What do you do?
I'm a farmer.
Do you play football?
Yes, I do.
Have you got a cell phone?
Yes, I have.
Hello.
How do you do?
Hi.
How are you?
It's a lovely place.
Quite. It's nice place.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Can you help me?
What can I do for you?
Thanks for the help.
It's my pleasure.
Can you lend some money?
How much do you want?
Where are you speaking from?
From Paltan Bazaar.
Thank you. I can give you a hand.
It would be a great pleasure.
What the matter?
I've lost my way.
Hello. Can you help me please?
Yes, I can. Thought it tum bang ba mani yong se ha khelu dam pen la son a problem do le te la son sin e chingki pa de to pang keng to dhorong no ni policeman le de ni hala kang pini phan nang ka yoling ni thak nan po to na jin.
Hello. Can you help me please?
Where do you want to go?
I have lost my way. Hello. Can you help me please?
What can I do for you?
I have lost my way.
Where do you want to go?
Dispur.
Ma'am, it's quite far from here.
There a taxi stand over there. You can hear a taxi from there.
Okay, would you like to hire a taxi? Okay, I can get a taxi for you.
Excuse me.
Yes, what can I do for you?
How far is the railway station?
It's quite far from here.
Do you know the way to the nearest bank?
Sorry, I don't.
Could you help me, please?
Never mind, I'll help you.
I am afraid I have lost my way. Where will you get off, ma'am?
Adabari.
Adabari, 10 rupees more, please.
What? I cannot pay the fare. More than 10 rupees.
The fare, ma'am.
It's ridiculous. I know the fare. It's only 10 rupees.
No, ma'am, it's 20 rupees. The fare from Ranjia to Adabari is 20 rupees, ma'am.
I know it's only 10. I go to the place where I work every day. I know it's only 10. I cannot give more than 10 rupees bus fare.
From Baihatta, Kacharli, ma'am. I am extremely sorry. I thought you boarded the bus at Ranjia.
You give me the ticket, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.